Welcome to our January construction update at Le Mer Main Beach. New year, we're going to new heights. We've had a lot of progress over this last quarter. We're now at level 18 with the jump form. We've just poured level 14 slab. We've got all of the curved windows are in now to level 6. We've got the external balustrades in to level 7. We've got joinery has been installed in the first 5 levels. Stone bench tops, stone vanities in the first 3 levels. We've made great progress. We have flooring starting in the next 2 weeks. The team is loving it. Spirits are high. We've got services being roughed in. Tiling is completed on the first 8 levels in all the bathrooms. It's looking beautiful. Can't wait for you to look inside, and we'll see you again soon.